So apparently, I slept shouted last night.
Slept what?
Slept shouted.
Shouted. Oh
No, it's a...
I thought she said sleep
Basically
shouted.
had a night terror.
I had a night terror, screaming help and swearing, but apparently not like quietly, like stop it, stop it.
It scared the crap out of me.
So yeah, that's fine. Everyone in the room probably loved me.
Oh yeah, the view. Show
Yeah.
them the beautiful view.
So this is out of our balcony. Sugarloaf is just over that direction, I think. But yeah, that's Copacabana Beach, and then you got Empanada, or Empanana, whatever it's called. But yeah, we're just gonna chill today, I think. I hand washed my towel last night and some undies, and I kid you not, it's literally soaking. Oh look, I can still wring it out. Brilliant. There he is. He's up. We didn't have to wake him up for the first time in our lives. So this is the hostel. Super cool. Such a nice view. How good does that breakfast toasty look? I think that's the most exciting thing I've eaten for breakfast in the last probably week.
I'm a bit sad to be leaving Rio because I feel, although our trip here was short but sweet, you know, we're going inland now, and
Away from the beaches.
yeah, I just want the beach, to be fair. Food's getting a little bit better, a little bit more manageable. I think we probably need to broaden our horizons and need a bit of local stuff because, you know, we're resulting in pizza. Like, who comes to Brazil for pizza, you know? Yeah, we're flying today. That's about it.
So Hannah's bag last night leaked over everything because of her hydration bladder, and she thought everything was out of it, so she just shook it off over. And I don't know whether you can see, but like, oh, you probably can't, but like right down here is a little black thing, which is the magnetic for that, which you put on your bag. So now we're trying to figure out how we would be able to get it.
So, we're thinking...
Oh, this is scary.
I've got you. Do you want to have one leg over the edge, kind of thing?
Oh, do I? Oh my god, no, it's not even... It's fabric.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh! Nah, alright, you're getting it gross.
No, I wouldn't be strong enough.
It's alright, she loses her sunglasses, I lose my magnet. But I really like that magnetic part. It stops it from dangling. No! Why? Why? So, we've been hanging out all day. We've booked some buses, we've booked 3 different hostels. We're pretty prepared, I'd like to think now. So we've gotten all that, and we've worked out all our money and stuff. We're still with this beautiful view.
Oh, look at the boat, the shipping boat.
I know, it's huge. I don't think you can see it, but... so now we're gonna get our final meal in Rio. We're just thinking of getting like pizza or something, you know, as per usual, real healthy. And yeah, we're just gonna hang out and then take an Uber back to the airport and then leave. We'll see you there.
Right, we're off to get some food. Apparently there's a veggie place down the road, so we're gonna see if that is open and maybe get something to eat there.
So our pizza's just about to come out. This is the place behind us. It's a pretty cool place. And it says what the menu looks like. It's pretty cool. We've ordered a rustic pizza, which is mozzarella, chicken, beef, I think, and pepperoni. Anyway, here we go. Oh, cheers. Oh, that looks so good.
So good. Thank you.
Just, oh, stop it! Get it in there. Oh,
That looks so good.
yum. I'm so excited for us to come. Oh, here we go. Oh, thank you. Oh my god. Alright, we'll see you later.
Well, it's that time again for another flight, however many of the last month, which means, again, I can't pack these bad boys, so I'm wearing them. It's like such a mission to actually put these on, even though they're like super, like, I like them, I love them, they're great. Super easy. Oh, wow. I wonder what state they'll be in when I'm done with them.
Not in as much a state as mine. Mine had been up Mount Everest.
Still got the same colour?
Yeah, up Mount Everest. Then they'll be up Machu Picchu.
Up Rainbow Mountain.
Rainbow Mountain. Oh my god, I keep forgetting about Rainbow Mountain.
That one's gonna be the hot.
Oh. It's alright. I'm gonna take a donkey. No. Or not.
You better don't.
Huh?
Better not.
Why? I could get such a cool picture on a donkey.
It's a great hostel. You should
Stay
definitely stay here. It's cute. Very cute. 10 out of 10. So we're in the Uber on the way to the airport. The last Uber got cancelled. He obviously didn't want to come with the fella, but we're on our way now. Hannah's head is like virtually touching the top of the car.
Hello.
Are you ready for another flight?
Not particularly.
I'm not gonna lie, I want to get to the airport and get like a brownie or a cookie or some kind of chocolate or sweets or sugar or a drink or just anything.
We've been drinking the last couple of days is Coke.
I know, it's so bad, but what you gonna do? Right, we're here. We just need to go and check in and find where we've got to go. So we found McDonald's.
Sorry.
And we got this.
Mine looks better because you've just fucking
Yeah. So we got these like Copenhagen triple chocolate McFlurries.
No.
Medium
They're
Coke.
fruit yogurt.
Just lying, they're not. They're delicious though. It's exactly what I wanted for my chocolate sugar kick, which seems to be the whole week. But yeah. We're just waiting for our plane and we're gonna get on, get to the falls and chill out.
What number Coke is that? Lemon?
Like 27.
Don't know how many of the week.
Way past your quota. That's for sure.
Loving it. Dun 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 dun. I'm loving it. To the window, to the wall, to the wall. The sweat drops off my ball. All these bitches fall. All these bitches fall. I don't know.
Oh, ski, goddamn.
Hey, how are you? So I just got asked to move because there was a family with a child, a screaming child, and the dad wanted to be next to it. So I'm kind of glad that they asked me to move, and I'm actually in an exit aisle now, so I've got loads of space. flight will be good. I wish it was a longer flight so I could have more room for a long time. We made it.
Wait, we need to wait for bags.
I got mine, so I'm good. She got it.
Oh yeah.
One to go. Third one down. Well, we made it after a taxi journey that was like 50 bucks, even though on Uber it was like 20, but whatever. Just got to the hostel, the lockers are pretty shit, but otherwise the hostel room is all good. So we're gonna get changed and go have some beers and just chill out. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.